Hey guys, welcome back. Here is the MI AirPOP PM2.5 anti-pollution mask. Pack of two, we just brought it. You won't believe this, guys. We have waited for this product for almost 2 months, right? And the reason we had to wait because this was not available, it was out of stock, and finally we found it in our city, Ghatkopar. We found it in the MI store. It is out of stock in Thane. And let's quickly talk about few things that you need to know before you use this mask. You could see a lot of specifications. I'm just going to open this pack. So you see some specifications here on this packet already. It has 4-layer filtration, soft and comfortable fit, advanced air circulation vent. Don't worry guys, I'm going to show it to you in a while. Let me just focus the camera here. All right, you have the instructions very clear here, very simple, not complicated. Don't worry, I'm not going to complicate this video also. Well, you see the price as 349. However, don't get surprised, it is just for 249, and you get this pack of two, black color. You also find it in gray, white, but I think black is something which is usually available. All right, so so this is how it is. You see there are two. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It's very soft. The material is really soft. It's comfortable. At the price that we are getting this mask, it's really comfortable. Well, though I've just brought it, but I have seen a lot of videos the way you use them. I'm going to show it to you in a while. However, let's quickly understand a little bit of its features and how to use this mask. All right. Well, no rocket science here. As you could see, it is 99% PM 2.5 protection with 4-layer filtration. It has advanced air circulation vent and it's soft and comfortable fit. All right, now this is something which is specially customized for Indian conditions, day-to-day Indian conditions. It's comfortable, it's skin friendly. Yes, guys, it is certified. I'm going to share few certifications. You will find all this information on MI website. However, I'm not going to talk about what's already there on the website, but I'm going to talk a little more about it. It has 4 layers of filtration, guys. All right. Now, this is something very important. If you look at this plastic, this is really nice because it has a large vortex valve, reduces eyeglass fogging. If you see inside, yeah, that's how it is. It has so if you see the design inside, it could easily fit on your nose without making or choking your nose, so you will find it comfortable. I'm going to apply it in some time and I'm going to show it to you. I know I have somebody who's going to help me to do that. All right, now something really interesting. This is foldable and portable. So what you do is, this is something very important. Please remember, this is not shown on a lot of sites or on the videos how you use this. So the mask is designed with special creases. If you see these lines, dotted lines, for easy foldable options. If you look at this, this is how you could fold it. All right, if you see, to the 1/3 of its size for safe pocket storage. Please remember, guys, store it in a clean place because you are going to use this. It's a filter mask, so please take care of this. This is really important. This is how you could store it. Don't you think it is so pocket friendly? And this is how you use it. So keep it at a clean place so that you can reuse it. Otherwise, it is mentioned that, so if you see on the website, you will see that this pollution mask can be used for 15 hours. Yes, guys, this is what is mentioned on the website. So these 2 packs of mask can last a whole month at a per day cost, which comes less than 20 rupees. However, when I spoke to the MI guy in the store, he mentioned it could last for around 6 months. Yes, guys, you heard it correct. It's something which could last for 6 months. Now, I don't know this because I'm going to use it and I'm going to tell you whether it can last for 6 months or not. I'm going to share another review after I use this for a few more days. Now, how do you wear it? Very simple. Let me quickly share how you wear this. However, before I share that, let me quickly tell you something really interesting, guys. This is a certified mask, okay? It has got certain certifications. One of those which I found was GB, which is a whole China's new level B filtering national standard. Then the mask also has passed the skin friendliness test through Germany. All right, yes, guys, you're hearing right. When I'm saying that, I'm talking about its certification, and this is certified. It is mentioned on the website also, so I believe this. Also, through FZ, the mask has passed the FZ some kind of order testing, test through the China National Textile and Apparel Council. Yes, guys. Also, let me tell you a few more things. Now, when you are going to use this product, this is not mentioned on a lot of websites. Yes, you cannot. Yes, guys, now this mask cannot be washed. Yes, you heard it correct, which means you cannot use it in rainy season. You cannot wash this mask. You can use it, take care of it. You have to keep it with clean environment, else you will not be able to use it again. Guys, please remember this is made to protect you from pollution. So you need to take care of it because you're going to put it on your skin, you're going to put it on your nose. It's an anti-pollution mask. So please take care of this. These are few things which you need to remember. Now quickly let's see how we apply this mask. Well, before that, quickly, let me tell you, please excuse me for the sound if you could hear some background disturbances. I'm really sorry for that. All right, now let's quickly show you how to wear this. All right, this is how you wear it. You see, it's so simple. It is a free size, it is a standard size, it can fit all age. However, before you wear it, please read the information and precautions carefully mentioned on the package. So if you see the way it is positioned, yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. So if you see the way it is positioned, yes, you have to ensure it makes a good seal over the bridge of your nose. Yes, that's how it is supposed to be. And your chin. Okay, adjust the ear straps until they're comfortable. All right, so that's how you wear it. Simple, very simple, right? Hey guys, isn't it really easy? Yes. And if you use this product repeatedly, please store it at clean place. I'm saying it again and again because I want you to guys to use this product with safe and no contamination. So if you want or if you want to avoid secondary contamination, please remember to keep it clean and store it at the clean place so that you can use it for at least few days. And I would recommend this product because you understand the air resistance has increased so much, especially in cities like Delhi, Mumbai, where the pollution is growing. And at the cost of 249, if you can have and if you can breathe clear air to some extent, I think it's not a big deal. So I think I would recommend this product to everybody to breathe clean air to some extent at least. However, if you look at this product, it is a good deal in the price that it is offered. Also, like I said, it is a very great demand product, so it's in demand, guys. And I think if you really want to try, I think you should go and try this out. And if there's anything that you feel which is missed, please comment, add so that other friends and people who watch this video would get more information about it. I'm going to share more reviews in coming days after I use this mask and tell you a little more about how I feel after I use it and how many days it would last. All right, till then, thank you so much and please take care.